Math isn't just for equations and numbers, it's a vital tool in understanding life itself. In biology, math acts as a bridge between data and discovery, helping scientists make sense of complex systems that govern living organisms. Let's dive into 3 powerful ways math is used in biology, each shaping the way we study, protect, and improve life. Biologists rely on mathematical models to track and predict how populations change over time. One common example is the logistic growth equation, which shows how a population grows rapidly at first, then slows as it approaches the environment's carrying capacity. These models help us forecast everything from endangered species recovery to the spread of invasive organisms. In marine biology, for instance, population dynamics inform sustainable fishing practices. In ecology, they help simulate predator-prey relationships like the classic Lotka-Volterra model. With math, we don't just observe, we predict, plan, and protect. Math is the language of inheritance. At the most basic level, tools like Punnett squares use simple probability to show how traits pass from parent to offspring. But modern biology goes far deeper. In genomics, bioinformaticians use mathematical algorithms to analyze massive sets of DNA data, identifying gene functions, tracing evolutionary patterns, and even diagnosing genetic disorders. For example, the probability of inheriting a disease like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia can be calculated using principles of Mendelian genetics combined with population statistics. Math makes sense of the code of life, one base pair at a time. Math plays a crucial role in the fight against infectious diseases. Models like the SIR model, susceptible, infected, recovered, simulate how diseases spread through populations. These models take into account transmission rates, recovery times, and immunity, helping health experts predict outbreaks and design effective responses. During the COVID-19 pandemic, these models helped estimate infection curves, hospital capacity needs, and the impact of interventions like lockdowns and vaccinations. Without math, we'd be navigating blind during public health crises. In short, math is the microscope we use to zoom into the invisible, the telescope we use to forecast the future, and the map we use to explore the vast web of life. By combining the logic of numbers with the complexity of nature, we're not just doing science. We're telling the story of life in a language that lets us model it, protect it, and keep learning from it. So whether you're solving equations in class, analyzing lab data, or coding a simulation, remember, you're part of a much bigger picture. Math isn't just important to biology, it's essential to understanding what it means to be alive.